my tummy!
Please don't move around like that, Atsushi.
You're gonna reopen my stitches.
Psych!
Kyoka, hide!
Psych!
Hi, it's me! I'm coming in! Look at all this garbage lying around. There's barely enough room to walk! Answer me, damn it!
Oh, I don't have the strength to go on.
Not again. What is it this time?
Psych!
Seeing that my heart is on the line, it's only right that I witness the outcome. He brought us futon.
So you're the one who wrote the love letter? I'll give it to you straight. Your chances are even worse than the were-tiger over here.
Silence, you fools!
Psych!
Got you! Means this whole time I've been chasing Mr. Akutagawa's...
Hell no, man.
Psych!
Someday, I swear that I'll see you killed.
Been lying this whole time.
Okay, stop!
What? Why you?
What the hell, man? Give me your knife.
Why?
Oh, wait, I swiped it off you earlier, just in case.
God, I hate you.
Akutagawa's leading that operation. He should have records in the comm storage room on the second floor.
How interesting! I had a pretty good hunch that was the case.
Psych!
Play a game?
Now, maybe a little later, alright?
You!
Psych!
By the way, you realize you're the one who broke my chains and freed me, right? If I were to run away right now, I'm certain you'd be suspected of aiding my escape.
Psych!
If... What's wrong?
Just shut up for a second, okay?
Huh?
Psych!
No, you're doing it wrong. Aren't you forgetting something? Come on, you know you're forgetting something, Chuya.
Psych!
It's thanks to you. The mystery is finally solved.
Psych!
Does this seem like a good time for them to see me?
Hey, Chuya Nakahara, come on! Let's hurry and get to work. Boss's orders, you know.
What are you, a mental case? Shut up, damn it!
Psych!
What was that ability?
I'd expect no less from the guild. What amazing power!
Get off of me!
Psych!
Dazai had already seen how all of this would play out to the very end. What a terrifying man.
Psych!
The only thing I like about you is your taste in shoes.
Huh? You do?
Yeah, as if.
Give it up.
Psych!
I told you to stop me as soon as it was over.
I was going to, but it was so entertaining to watch.
Psych!
Or I'll sew your mouth shut.
Damn you, Dazai! I'll kill you next time for
Psych!
I know your moves far too well to be hit with a kick like that.
I was going easy on you. If I were serious, you would have been toast.
Oh, yeah?
Psych!
What? Huh? Oh, okay, I'll get it. I'm coming. I'm doing it right this second. Which button am I supposed to push? This one? No. This one? Come on, yes, hello?
I like the idea of suicide, but I'm not at all interested in pain and suffering. Who wants that?
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
教えてよ、その仕組みを。